Hi student, I am Ishwarya Vijay Kumar. Today we are discussing about M.2 make block education, the networkable robot for computer science and STEAM educations. How to assemble that M.2? We have to do this right now. We will start. Here the parts mentioned here and the name also. The first one CyberPi and the second one M.2 shield, third one ultrasonic sensor, and fourth one quad RGP sensor, fifth one encoder motor, and here chassis, here wheel hub, stick tire, mini wheel and motor cable, M built cable 10 centimeter, M built cable 20 centimeter, and M 4 into 25 mm screw, and M 4 into 14 mm screw, and this is M 4 into 8 mm screw, and this is M2 5 into 12 mm screw, line following track map, USB cable and a screwdriver. Here we will do one by one for assemble of these parts. First, we have to take the stage 1 and stage 2, stage 3 wise we have to assemble the M.2. First, stage 1 we have to take that Xerox copy of this, and stage 1 we have to assemble first. Stage 1, here is the stage 1 wheel hub and stick tire. Here I have to mention the stage 1 screw, M 2.5 into 12 mm screw we have to use. First stage 1 we have to assemble wheel hub and stick tire, and next the recording screw 2.5 into 12 mm screw. Stage 1 M.2 assembles. First we will take the what are the parts here, based on that we will planning for assemble. Chassis, here M.2 shield, this is M.2 shield, and this is CyberPi. Yes. Next, line following track map. This is the quick start guide. Next we have inside the 2 packet. Yes. Now first to packet 1 we have to tear this. Here that USB cable we have to keep like that. Next spanner, screwdriver, here screw, this is mini wheel, the cables, and the second packet we have to tear this wheel, ultrasonic sensor 2, quad RGB sensor, wheels, and this is encoder motor. The first one is Cyber 5, second one is M-Bot shield, third one is ultrasonic sensor, and fourth one is quad RGB sensor, and fifth one is encoder motor, and the next chassis, and the next one wheel, and this cable we have to remove. This is the motor cable. As per this chart, we have to arrange the spare parts M-Bot to assemble for stage 1. First, Cyber Pi I have to show. As per this chart, we have to assemble. First, Cyber Pi second one M-bot shield, and third one ultrasonic sensor, and fourth one and quad RGB sensor, and fifth one N-card motor, and this chassis and wheel hub and stick tire and a mini wheel, and this is motor cable, and this is M built cable 10 centimeter, and this is M built cable 20 centimeter, and this is 25 mm screw, this is 12 mm screw, and this is 8 mm screw, and this is 12 mm screw for 2.5, and this is line following trap map, this is USB cable, this is screwdriver. So, the entire as per this box order wise we have to arrange it here, the total spare parts assembled as done like that. Now, we will go for stage 1. For stage 1, M-bot to assemble. For stage 1, what are the things? First, wheel hub and stick tire we have to assemble, and the corresponding screw is 2.5 into 12 mm screw. This is the stage 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Where is 1, 2, 3? Here. This is 1 and this is 2. Now, 2 wheels are ready, and this corresponding related to screw 2.5 into 12 mm screw I have to keep here. Now, stage 1 has completed. Now, we will go stage 2. Stage 1 has completed. We attached wheel hub and stick tire and corresponding 2.5 mm screw also. For discussion for M-bot assemble stage 2, here what are the things? Encoder motor and motor cables and M into 8 mm screw. This is stage 2. We have to take stage 2 motor cable and 8 mm screw. Here is the motor cable and screw. here we have to see this. In motor we have small pin also. We have to attach here. We have to hold like that and see, this is white portions and this is the wire metal portions. You have to rotate like that in white portions. You see, like that we have to attach here. Yes. So, one cable connected. The same way here also, that metal portions you have to rotate like that. You have to hold this and white portions you have to connect. Yes. Now, two cables has connected. Now, stage 2 assemble has completed. We will go stage 3. Now, stage 3 we have to take chases. Here stage 3 we have to take and assemble. Yes, this is. And here the smile portion is there and opposite M. You have to rotate, you have to show and you have to rotate like that, you have to fit. Yeah, the same way. Now, you have to fit like that. Here screw and here is the screw option. Here is the screw option 1, 2 and 3, 4. You have to set like that. Now, you have to set like that. One, two, three, 4 screw option is there. Yes. We have to connect the screw. We have to connect the same way here also. Now two motor as connected. You see backside cable we have to lift here, motor cable. Now next stage 3 has completed. Stage 3 has completed. Next we will go stage 4. And in stage 3 we will attach the wheels. Here the wheels stage this wheel hub and stick tire we have to attach here in this. Here screw 2.5 into 12 mm screw. And here we have to shift, we have to change and fit here. The same way another wheel. like that. Now stage 3 has completed, we will go stage 4. Stage 4, what are the things? Here ultrasonic sensor and quad RGB sensors, and this one mini wheel and corresponding screw, 14 mm screw we have to attach here. First we will take ultrasonic sensor, 1 2 3 4, stage 4. This is mini wheel, this is 14 mm screw, and this is ultrasonic sensor, this is quad RGB sensor. Now we will take this and this is RGB sensors. You have to rotate like that, and here this mini wheel, you have to go bottom of this, like that. You have to attach here. Here 1 2 3 4 5, here is a just second and fourth. You have to connect second and fourth, the screw here. Second and fourth. Now stage 4, that RG sensor and a mini wheel has connected, and you have to rotate, and stage 4 has completed. You have to assemble like that. Now stage 5 we will go. Here is the stage 5. Stage 5, just build a cable, 10 centimeter cable we have to attach. Stage 5. Here this is 10 centimeter cable we have to attach. Now here these portions we have to attach. Here is the cable. These white color portions. Here this is metal portions, you have to rotate white color portions. White color portions we have to attach here. Yes. Now one cable has connected. You have to go inside. Yes. Now one cable has connected. Next, stage 5, one cable has connected. Next stage 6, last stage we will go, and we have to finalize this assembly M.2 and M.2 assemble stage 6. Stage 6, what are the parts? Here is the cyber 5 and M.2 shield and corresponding screw in 25 mm screw and recording one cable. Here one cable and stage 4 screw and cyber pi and M.2 shield. Now here is the ultrasonic sensor we have to connect like that in as per stage 4. Now this also connected and this sensor we have to connect right now. You have to rotate the smile portions like that. This you have to do like that. And this screw. And here. Here two portion is there, 1 and 2. We have to connect a screw here and here for sensor. Now sensor is connected. Next, under one of the cables we have to connect here. Here are sensors, we have also connectivity here is there. You can change that metal portion in white, and white we have to connect here like that. You have to do like that, and here is the Here is there one sensor. Yes. We have to connect like that. Now connected, and see here this cable like that, this is motor cable, and this cable like that we have to connect it. And these portions, this end we have to connect the ultrasonic sensors. Like that we have to change white portions, we have to rotate like that. Here is there some metal portions we have to connect. You see that metal portions, here metal portions, and this is white portions, we have to rotate like that, and the metal portions we have to connect here. Yes, now connected. One cable connected here, and another we have to connect it like that. This is motor cable. Now 50% installation assembly has completed. Next, stage 6, last stage. Stage 6, and for CyberPi M.2 shield and the screw. Here is 3, 1, 2 and 3. And this is screw, 25 mm screw. Okay, this is M.2 shield. We have to put like that. Here is the pin knob. We have to battery here. We have to connect like that. We have to put the same way sensor, and we have to put like that. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now these portions we have to connect here. Here is the metal portions, you see metal, and here is the sensor. Here white portions you have to connect, here white portions you have to connect like that. Now connected. Next, and the last stage we have to motor cable, we have to connect like that. These white portions you have to connect. And this the same way white portions you have to connect like that. Yes. Now final stage, this is Cyber 5. We have to do here pin knobs is there, here also the same pin knobs we have to attach here. Now assemble 100% as completed, we have to put switch on, here switch on option is there, we have to do now. Yes. Now 100% assemble as completed. Now M.2, here you have to go language, we have to select this option top and bottom and press, here you can put it first language we have to select, first English, first bottom like that. Yes, you have to select English, you have to press. Yes, now English and option is there, setting and everything coming. Now 100% assemble as completed. Now how can I work? Here program everything is there, we have to do demo also. This you have to go here, one pin knob is there, here this you have to go back, you have to press. Okay, now 100% installation is completed. Now how can I connect? With phone, here is their apps, we have to go like that and play and we have to check it. Now connect the Bluetooth, just go on Bluetooth and location also should be on. Now Bluetooth has connected. Now how we have to play. And working 100%, installation has completed. Yes, now sensors again we have to connect. Now under drawings, here is the drawings, we have to make touch the drawings. And we have to select this. And we have to make now 100% installation has completed, and we have to 100% sensor also working. And thanks for watching this.